This next session is about the succession, mentoring, and development enhancements for this release. In the last release, SuccessFactors introduced a new mentoring management system or submodule. It is a very important tool for managing the mentoring process, programs, and selecting or connecting the mentor and mentee in this process. In this release, SuccessFactors have introduced a few important improvements for that submodule as promised. So the first one would be a summary or confirmation page at the end of the program creation wizard. So once you follow all the steps in the program creation wizard, the last step would be to review the end result in order to make sure that you're actually launching a correct mentoring program. That's how it's going to look like. Up here you can find the wizard steps. First of all, creating the mentoring or defining the mentoring program details, high level, then add mentors and mentees, and then getting to the summary page in which you can see all the configuration that you've done till this point. You can choose to go back and edit it, or actually to submit it and complete or launch the program. Another important feature is the mentor availability switch. The issue was that some mentors are not available. Some mentoring programs are year-long, and throughout the time a mentor is actually assigned as a mentor in that program, he is not available to do other stuff. This availability switch enables the mentor to temporarily sign off the program, indicating to the mentees that he is away or unavailable. So these are the screenshots describing how to do that. There is a new switch saying my status available or not. Another new feature is having a different syntax per the different questions per mentee and mentors. For example, if we want to select people based on location, as you can see here, the mentor will get this question, in what location do you work? While the mentee would be, in which location would you like your mentor to be located or to work? Another important feature is the option to terminate the relationship once the program is actually completed. So if we assign a mentor and mentee to a program which is actually planned to take a year, and they complete all their mentoring activities in a quarter, we can terminate or end the relationship after a quarter. This action can be initiated by any one of the people, mentor or mentee, and that would release them from this mentoring program in such a way that they will become available to serve or to participate in other mentoring programs, both as mentees and mentors. Once you do that, if I'm the mentor and I'm actually initiating this action of ending the relationship, I have an option to send a message to my mentee explaining this action. So first of all, as the administrator who creates a program, I could have created a draft program up to this point, and at this point I have an option or a new feature which enables me to delete the draft program and not to actually launch it. Another feature is displaying the activities in each plan sorted by the last edited date. So in a mentoring program, we should follow a lot of activities, and it was sometimes difficult to monitor or to discuss, review, and maintain these activities as we couldn't sort them nicer way. This new feature enables you to sort the activities based on the last edited date, making sure that you're aware of the latest activities that were done in the mentoring program. And the last feature is the option to run ad hoc report on this mentoring program topic. At this point, it's a single domain with the ad hoc report builder. I'm sure that in future releases, this will become an optional cross-domain reporting tool. One important notification regarding most of the old succession related features, SuccessFactors have announced an end of life for the V11 features, such as the org chart, the talent search, the matrix grid, and legacy talent pools. These sub-modules or features will become obsolete by end of Q1 2019. And the last feature is an enhancement to the org chart version 12. Once you look at the successor card, you can view more details than before, and it makes the management of the succession process much easier.